Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So, to delete your TikTok account, firstly, open your TikTok application. Click on Profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and click on Setting and Privacy option. Click on the account and press on Deactivate or Delete Account option right there. It will take you to the page where you can either deactivate your account or delete your account permanently. Tap on Delete Account Permanently. On the next page, choose the option on Why are you leaving TikTok and click on Continue. You can also skip this process if you want to. If you want to download your TikTok data, click on Request Download. Tick mark the option that is, by continuing, you've reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account and click on Continue. For the confirmation, tap on Continue. To continue deleting your account, enter your password and click on Delete Account. This is how you can delete your TikTok account easily and quickly in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.